is plowed, who knows, but you can't even see where our lawn ends and our driveway begins. It's looking pretty cool out there. Neighbors' cars.